Hey guys, I am Nikki So Jazzy and I'm back again with another polygel nail tutorial. If you are new, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for subscribing. Guys, we are now over 100 subscribers. Yay! I'm so excited, and I just wanted to say that I'm excited to grow, and let's continue to grow together. Okay, so let's begin. And as you can see, we are just going to start prepping the nail by filing off any of the gloss or shine that the nail naturally has. It makes it easy for the gel to attach or stick to the nail, almost like you glued it down. And now for the base coat, make sure to evenly coat the nails. And then we're just gonna let that cure. Now I did get a new 120 watt LED nail lamp, which that did make the curing process much faster, but still not quite fast enough for me. By the way, I'll leave a link below in the box so that you can see the products that I used. Most of them come from Amazon, but if anything, I'll let you guys know if I get them from anywhere else. I'm starting with number 6, and if you guys saw my last 2 videos, that color is white. And I'm just going to take that and squeeze it into the dual form. And using the slip solution, you're just going to spread that out and gently pat it into place. Make sure you don't use too much slip solution. You don't want it to be dripping. And then you're going to apply it to the nail, leaving a bit of room in between the cuticle and the dual form. And I bought these clips. I'm just gently clipping it on there. And then I'm going to clean it up because I realized it was too heavy. So I'm going to try it again and gently clip it. Clean it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna cure that. And now I'm gonna take the foils that I bought separately from the kit, and I'm using those and placing those into the dual form first before I do the polygel. And then because I'm extra, I took like this little gold piece. It's hard. I don't know what I don't know if it's foil. I don't know, but I took that and put it in there too. And then we're gonna take the same white polygel and put that in over the top of the foil. And then gently tap, 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 tap. And again, you want to leave a little bit of space between the cuticle and the dual form as you're putting pressure to place the nail into place. And if you want, you can use the clip it just flattens it out at the bed of the nail. Now here we're going to mix it up using 2, 8, and number 3 so that we can give it this glassy marble kind of look. And we're just going to squeeze that into there. It doesn't matter where you place the colors, just go with the flow. That's what I did. And then we're going to cure that one, and we're going to do the same thing with the next dual form nail. Now for the pinky nail, we are going to go back to the white, but don't worry, it's not over yet. We are going to decorate them. Now we're just gonna pop these babies off. And using the clippers, we're just going to clip off any excess gel. Using the nail drill, we're just going to make that gel blob that forms under there. We're just going to make it look more of a nail shape. Let's get these nails together. And you want to take the regular nail file and just file the shape that you want your nails to be. Now these are also glitter gels, and I'm going to use these to decorate my nails, and I'm using them lightly because they are gels. And if you don't have a glitter gel that came with your kit, you can always just mix glitter with your clear gel that does come with the kit. These gels didn't come with the kit. I actually had another kit that I had ordered before I got the kit from Amazon, and it didn't come until late. So these came with that kit. Now I'm just going to use this little sticker so that when I apply this gold gel to my pinky, it doesn't run over into the wrong place. I did have to cure and then apply and then cure and then apply this gold gel because it wasn't showing that gold glitter that I wanted to really pop. And just before the last cure, I applied some diamonds because who doesn't like diamonds? And they look so good, so good once they came out. And using the skinny tape, I don't know what it's called, but the nail skinny tape, the nail design skinny tape, I'm just gonna put a sleek strip right through the middle of the middle nail. And then we're gonna add more diamonds. So I'm just going to use the purple gel, the purple glitter poly gel to put dots where I want to put my diamonds. And I'm going to put the biggest ones, of course. But this is the fancy nail, so she's only going to get 2. She fancy. And we're going to quickly cure her. And now using the gold gel, the glitter gel, I'm going to make a little strip, like a little squiggly strip through this nail, and then apply more diamonds. This is how they turned out. We're not done. We're going to put on the top coat. It's okay to be a little generous with the top coat because the more you glossy floss, right? And there you have it. Fancy nails. All done by you. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button so that you can see the next time that I upload. I hope you all have an amazing Sunday. Peace.